Get ready to supercharge your wealth with AI. Welcome to AI Wealth Boost, where we bring you the latest and greatest in AI-powered wealth management. Subscribe now and take control of your financial future. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that has sent shockwaves across the industry. OpenAI has announced its latest GPT-4 model, which is being touted as the most advanced and sophisticated AI language model to date. In addition to that, Microsoft has also announced its own version of GPT-4, which is expected to compete with OpenAI's offering. But what makes GPT-4 so special? Let's find out. What is GPT-4? GPT-4 stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 4, and it is the latest version of OpenAI's AI language model. For those of you who are not familiar with GPT models, they are essentially AI systems that can understand and process human language. These models are trained on massive amounts of data to develop a deep understanding of how language works. They can then generate human-like text, answer questions, translate languages, and perform many other language-related tasks. GPT-4 is the fourth iteration of this model, and it is expected to be significantly more powerful than its predecessors. It is built on the same transformer architecture as GPT-3, but it has more parameters, which means it can process even more data and generate even more accurate responses. Comparison to previous GPT models. So, how does GPT-4 compare to the previous versions of the model? Let's take a quick look. GPT-1, released in 2018. It had 117 million parameters and was primarily used for language translation. GPT-2, released in 2019. It had 1.5 billion parameters and could generate highly convincing human-like text. GPT-3, released in 2020. It had a whopping 175 billion parameters and was considered to be the most advanced language model to date. It could perform a wide range of language-related tasks, including answering questions, generating text, and even coding. GPT-4, expected to be released in the near future. It is rumored to have over 1 trillion parameters. This means it will be capable of processing an enormous amount of data and generating even more accurate responses. How GPT-4 differs from previous models. So, what are the new features and capabilities that we can expect from GPT-4? Here are some of the main differences between GPT-4 and its predecessors. Multimodal. One of the most significant differences is that GPT-4 will be a multimodal model. This means it will be able to process and understand different forms of data, including text, images, videos, and audio. This will open up a whole new range of possibilities for AI applications, such as virtual assistants, chatbots, and image recognition. Better reasoning. GPT-4 is also expected to have better reasoning capabilities than previous models. It will be able to understand context and infer meaning from complex sentences. This will enable it to perform more complex tasks, such as summarizing long articles, answering questions that require critical thinking, and even composing poetry. Faster training. Another key difference is that GPT-4 will have a faster training time than its predecessors. This is because OpenAI has developed a new training technique called GS-Hard, which allows the model to be trained more efficiently on large clusters of GPUs. This means GPT-4 will be able to process and analyze data much faster than previous models. Microsoft GPT-4. In addition to OpenAI's GPT-4, Microsoft has also announced its own version of the AI language model. This is an exciting development, as it means we will have two major players in the market, each pushing the boundaries of what is possible with AI language models. Microsoft's GPT-4 is expected to have similar capabilities to OpenAI's model, but there are a few key differences. For one, Microsoft is said to be focusing more on the business and enterprise market, rather than the consumer market. This means their model may have more specialized features, such as the ability to analyze financial data or understand legal jargon. Microsoft is also said to be developing its own multimodal AI model, which they are calling DALL-E 2.0. This model will be able to generate images based on text descriptions, much like OpenAI's DALL-E model. However, Microsoft is hoping to take this technology to the next level by making it more interactive and adaptable. Impact on the industry. The announcement of GPT-4 has sent shockwaves across the industry, as it is expected to take AI language models to new heights. With its multimodal capabilities and improved reasoning abilities, GPT-4 could revolutionize the way we interact with machines and open up a whole new range of AI applications. But what does this mean for the future of work? Some experts are concerned that AI language models like GPT-4 could replace human workers in certain industries, such as journalism or content creation. However, others believe that these models will simply augment human abilities and make our jobs easier and more efficient. Either way, it is clear that GPT-4 and other AI language models are here to stay, and they will continue to push the boundaries of what is possible with AI. As the technology evolves, we can expect to see even more sophisticated models and applications that will change the way we live and work. So, there you have it, the latest news on OpenAI's GPT-4 and Microsoft's competing model. As the AI industry continues to evolve and grow, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the years to come. But for now, we can look forward to the release of GPT-4 and see how it will impact the world of technology and beyond. Thanks for tuning in. Let's boost your wealth with AI. Subscribe now for the ultimate edge.